Hello guys. Welcome today. Today we have 3 puzzles in the additional, but it's not the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Monday, September the 12th, 2022. No, it's the edition of Friday, September the 9th, 2022. The additional of Saturday is already solved. So we have here 3 puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars Sudoku, and the cipher block. Yes, in Dutch they call it cipher block, but in English tectonic. Alright, 3 puzzles. First one, the letter Sudoku, and this will be a number 5162. Alright, 5162. Before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, letters. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed letters. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, for 27 printed digits is a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, for letter Sudoku, I need more time. 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. And we have unique letters to use: the A, the R, the M, the S, the Z, the T, the N, the D, and the O. Yes, unique letters. Time ago, the publisher published letters not unique, the same letter several times. Then you need more time or have troubles, and the publisher is not following the rules of the Sudoku. So but I can solve this one, so it's no problem. All right, and the goal is to solve this word in the second row. It's a Dutch word, so I will translate it in English. All right, so let's get started. Let me see which number which digit can I, which letter I can use. All right. We have an O in the last column, the O in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the O should be here. Or there we see an O in the first row. So no O there, O should be there. Z in the first row, C in the third row. So the row between, the only place left for the Z should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. The M is missing and the R is missing. M and R. We have an M in the first row, so no M there. M should be here and the R goes there. Then. Name is Z. Z in the last column. Z in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the Z should be there. Yeah. Z. No. T, D, M. This is M. T. Yeah. T in the third column. T in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the T should be here. Or there we see a T in the middle row. So no T there. T should be there. T. O and Z. D. Yeah. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a D. We have a D in this column, so no D there. Here, D in this row, so no D there. So the only place left for the D should be there. D in this column, D in that column. So in the column between, the only 3 places left for the D should be here, here, or there. We see a D in the first row, so no D there. Here, D in the second row, so no D there. So the only place left for the D should be there. Away, D, D. D, D, D. Then. S and M. S and M. M. Yeah, M and S. How about the letter? Let me see. T. Come on. R in the last column, R in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the R should be here or there. We see an R in this row, no R there, R should be there. 3 missing letters in this second row. One of the missing letter is in the second row is the letter M. We have an M in this big square, so no M in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the M, should be there. So 2 missing letters in this second row. For letters, S is missing and the T is missing. S and the T. I know the word now. But let me continue. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters, S is missing and the M is missing. S and M. We have an M in this column. No M there. M should be there. And the S goes there. M in the last column. M in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the M should be here or there. We see an M in this row. No M there. M should be there. S and the A is missing. S and A. Come on, S and the A. A and the T is missing. Yeah, 2 missing letters in the last column. Those missing letters are the A is missing and the T is missing. A and a T. A and a T. We have a T in the third row. So no T there. T should be here. And the A goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters, A is missing and the S is missing. A and a S. Oh, we have an A in this column. No A there. A should be here and the S goes there. The S in this column, the S in that last column. So the column between, only place left for the S should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the letter T. TTSS. 2 missing letters in this first row for numbers, for the letters. A is missing and the N is missing. A and N. Let me mark those. So the other 2 missing letters in this big square, letters O is missing and the R is missing. O and R. Okay. A and N. We have an N here in this column, so no N there. N should be here and A goes there. Okay. A. Well, M. Come on. T. Need a T there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is a T. We have a T in this row, no T there. Here, T in this row above, so no T there. So the T could be here, or there in this column. Here, or there. The T. We have a T also in this row, no T there. We have a T in the middle row, so no T there. So the only place left for the T should be there. Alright. S. Come on. Z. O. Z. N. R. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Well, we have an M in this column, M in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the M should be here or there. We see an M in this row. No M there, M should be there. M in this row, M in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the M should be here or there. We see an M in the first column. So no M there, M should be there. M in the last row, M in that row. So the row between, the only two places left for the M should be here or there. We see an M in the third column. So no M there, M should be there. And all the M's are used. I can see letter number 1, letter M. Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, and then D, 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 Z, 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 yes, two missing letters in this row for letters. Z is missing and the O is missing in this row. Z and O, Z and O, we have a Z in this column. No Z there, Z should be here, and O goes and there. So we have a pair now, I believe. The Z and A in this column, the Z and A in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the Z and the A goes in those two boxes as a pair. Z and A, Z and A. Alright. Okay, and O, O. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright. T in this row, the T in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the T should be there. S in the T, we have a T now. In the middle column, so no T there, T should be here, and the S goes there. We solved the word in 12 minutes. Well, the Dutch word is sandstorm. In English, sandstorm. Yes, it's a sandstorm. Yeah. Alright, let me continue with the puzzle. So we have okay. Can I count the T's? Yeah. And all the T's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter T. Alright. O-R-S. O-R-S. Yeah, I'm thinking. Well, 3 missing letters. Actually 4, but one of the missing letter in the last row is the letter O. Well, this is occupied with the, or reserved for the Z and the A. So no O. So the O could be here, here, or there. We see an O in this column. No O there. Here, no O in the second column. So no O there. So the only place left for the O should be there. O, okay. Z, O, and the N is missing. No, the D is missing here. Z, A, and the D. Alright. Well. Z. Yeah. Z, A, and the D. I'm still thinking. S. Come on. Well. And. Come on, it's taking too long. Yes. 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the D and O. We have a D and O in this row, so no D and O in these 2 boxes. In this big square. So the D and O goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and O, D and O, D and O. We have a D in this column. No D there. D should be here. And O goes there. So 2 missing letters in this big square are for the letters Z is... No. We have a Z there. C and A. S is missing. And the R is missing. S and R. We have a S in this column. No S there. S should be here. And the R goes there. Alright, 1 box left in this column for the letter R, I believe. Here, the R is missing. Now we have an R here in the middle column. So no R there. R should be here. And the O goes there. O in this column, O in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the O should be here. Or there we see an O in the middle row. No O there, O should be there. And all the O's are used. I can see letter number 3, letter O. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. N is missing. And S is missing. N and the S. We have a S in the middle column. So no S there. S should be here. And the N goes there. Then... A and S is missing. Yeah. A and S. Well, we have an R in the first column, R in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the R should be here or there. We see an R in this row. No R there, R should be there. And then the S also, and then the S. Yeah, 2 missing letters in this row. 4 letters. N is missing. And the S is missing. N and S, and then the S. We have a S in the second column. So no S there. S should be here. And the N goes there. S in the first column, S in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the S should be here or there. We see an S in the middle row, so no S there. S should be there. 1 box left in this row for letter A. A in the first column, A in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the A should be there. Z and A, we have an A now in this row, so no A there. A should be here. And the Z goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. Z is missing. And the D is missing. Z and the D. We have a Z in the first column. No Z there. Z should be there. And the D goes there. The D in the third column. The D in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only place left for the D should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. Z is missing. And N is missing. Z and N. Z and N. Z and N. We have an N in this column. No N there. N should be here. And the Z goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a letter Sudoku, and I've solved this again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. The other 2 puzzles are the Sudoku with 2 stars and the tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.